Name's Rob Tate from Gillivan International. I'm the Vice President and General Manager for the Pacific region, which is BC. Been with ECA for the whole 13 years that I've been with Gillivan. For me as an electrical distributor, it's all about relationships and it's all about the networking. I get to come to the monthly events and hang out with 40 or 50 contractors, and I always target who I want to sit with at any particular time, and somebody I haven't seen for a while, so it's all about the networking. I go to the monthly events whenever I can. I miss the odd one. Certainly the AGMs go to. We have a meet and greet that we usually do once a year. Because Gillivan's right across the province, I also go to a lot of the events that are out of town. I'll go to the AGMs on the island or the monthly meetings on the island. And again, it's really to, when we go to see our contractors in their office, they're busy, the phones are ringing, there's lots going on. When you come here, it's a little bit more of a relaxed atmosphere, and you get to know them a little bit more too, versus just all about business all the time. And our business is about relationships. If a contractor trusts you and has success with you and gets to know you and has some fun with you, he's going to figure out a way of doing some more business with you. And at the end of the day, we're salespeople. So part of our networking and relationship building is to sell more product.
Hello, I'm Charlie Park, Principal of Electech Sales. And we're manufacturers representatives and associate members with ECABC for over 25 years now. Through all the years of working with the associate members and business partners, our contractors of ECABC, we've developed excellent relationships. We've worked together on topics of the day with regard to industry activities. And it affords us the opportunity to network and find out what's important to not only the contractors, but for ourselves to relay that information back to our manufacturers. Through the networking at ECA, we've enjoyed excellent relationships that we have forged for many years. It has certainly helped us on day-to-day activities within the market, supporting our contractors' projects with our equipment that we represent, and inevitably that helps build a solid foundation for working together on future projects. So by all means, it's been extremely valuable for our company being an active member and to this day.
My name's Rick Friesen. I'm with Canam Systems, Service Manager. I've been with ECA more than 20 years, but I'm not sure how long. Well, the networking with the various contractors, your competitors, you get a lot of information from them. They have the same problems on jobs, and you get a lot of that information from them. Also the suppliers. Getting to know them one-on-one, you talk to them on the phone all the time, but when you can put a name to a face, it really benefits when you need some help with something or some information. They have a lot of social events. The big one, of course, is in May, the annual golf tournament, which is a tremendous event, sold out last year and seems to be just getting bigger each year. But we have AGMs at various spots throughout the province, Victoria. Last year we had a real big one, an anniversary one up in Whistler. And again, you meet all the different contractors as well as suppliers, people within the industry, and that's really a benefit.
I've been with the ECA for about 5-6 years now. And for the past 3 to 4 years as executive member. We've had value in the manner of educational courses, industry related, like electrical estimating, project management, that sort of thing, at great discounts because we're a member of the ECA. The networking aspect of the ECA is fantastic. I mean, the functions we're attending tonight is just terrific. And the guest speakers that show up, tonight it's the BC Safety Authority. Lots of value in that. And yeah, there's just a ton of value here. Well, for instance, I had a situation a couple of years ago, well actually 4 years ago, where I didn't know where to go for help. So I phoned up Deb at the ECABC and asked her, how do I deal with this WorkSafe issue? And she referred me to somebody who was able to help me out and point me in the direction of the employer's advisor. I didn't even know there was one. And it was just great. It worked out fantastic for me. I attend the monthly meetings that we have. There's about 7 of them per year. And there's guest speakers, such as there is tonight. And I get a great deal out of that, plus the networking part of it, before and after the function, just meeting your peers and industry peers and talking, chatting with them.